Welcome to my latest video. Today I'm going to be giving a demonstration on how to get audio for your drone. I'm going to do something a little bit unusual and actually attach a microphone to the drone, because this is really the only way you can get audio on your actual drone. I'm filming now on my Osmo Pocket 3 with my Mic 2. But I will be doing the demonstration with the DJI Mic Mini. Just like to add that I don't get any freebies off DJI. These are all my own products I've bought, but I do rate them. And this is the DJI Mic Mini with the receiver. And this is my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and this is my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. My first demonstration is going to be using the Mic Mini, plugging it into the RC and doing a screen record. So here's the receiver for the Mic Mini. Press the power on. Should be a little green light comes on. Then you're going to plug it into the USB socket of the RC. There you go. And then just make sure it's in properly. And then the Mic Mini, turn that power on for that. Now that should be recording if you've already done it before. If not, you need to set it up first. Drop down on the screen. And then there's a Bluetooth there. Make sure your Bluetooth is on, and add device like you would a phone for a car. So I'm going to show you how to connect this up. The receiver goes into the USB port of the Osmo Pocket 3, and the microphone you can attach where you like. In this instance I'm going to be attaching it to the drone. So plug the receiver into the USB port of the Osmo. You can also do this with your mobile phone if you wish. So when you turn on the Osmo, I've already added it as a Bluetooth device, so flick the screen to turn it on and it should pick it up straight away. There you go, it's picking it up that it's already been connected. If not, same sort of procedure, go into the settings, add Bluetooth device. With the Mini it has a range of some 400 meters, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to try it to about 200 meters. I'm going to set the drone off and I'm going to follow it and then come back and see if the audio has worked pretty well. Of course the only downside is, and why you don't get microphones on drones, is because of the propeller noise. And there's my solution to attaching the mic. I've not really come prepared. Probably would have been better with a strip of Velcro or maybe a elastic or rubber band to hold it in place. I've utilised what I've got at the moment, and I've also put the wind cap, or the dead cat as they call it, on the mic to muffle some of the wind. So let's get the drone in the air. Well, that was a case of not being very well prepared. So I'm going to do it with the microphone on themselves, and I'm going to take it about 200 meters away and just see if 200 meters away from your source, which could be this Osmo Pocket 3 or the drone, we'll see how it copes 200 meters away. I shall follow the drone to 200 meters and we'll have a situation report then. So this is the distance away from the source, whether it be your phone or the Osmo Pocket 3, 120 meters away. As you can see, I'm very close to the drone. I'm guessing you're going to pick up a lot of noise from the propellers.